Hey, what's going on? Today I'm going to want to talk about debugging. Yeah, this is probably for beginners only. I mean, after a few months you already probably know how to debug. I mean, if you still struggle with the finding bugs and stuff, then this stuff will be interesting for you. And I have this app which actually has quite a few bugs. That's perfect. Alright, there's two ways to debug. One is at least two. Yeah. One is with the logcats, like this. You print logs, and the other one is with the breakpoints. So logcats is I feel like it's more easier to read. You have less output. I prefer logcats. I mean, you can use either or both, and I use logcats, but with breakpoints you start up the debug mode, create those breakpoints at the place where you wanna your app to stop, so it actually stops there. Well, yeah, it's the same principle like debugging for web or everything. It stops there, you read values and stuff. With logcats app doesn't stop. Alright, let's see what we got here. Some list of movies. Details. Play error. I think it worked on my phone. Doesn't matter. Main focus for us is here, this search. And as you've seen okay, we type and everything is gone. We clear search, everything is gone. That's the bug. Alright, and first I wanna figure out what activities we got here. It's splash, video is probably details, main, yeah, main. Alright, we look in main. Just from my experience, I know that this is we need to look for some listener, right? Set on item, click, add text change. Yes, and this one. Alright. And text change, nothing here, nothing here. Alright. Input. And we read the text string and call this adapter filter. Alright, and this is custom view adapter from it's array adapter for list view filter method. Alright, so the bug is here, reformat. And one more thing, as you see, this bug isn't the critical, so it doesn't crash the app. And the other one type is when it crashes, you just go to here, select show only selected, and read logcat here and find blue links to methods from your classes that caused the issue. And since it doesn't crash, it's kind of more tricky. This app is pretty simple, so we'll fix it in just a few minutes. First I wanna print the input. So there's a shortcut log M, I think, yes, and create log T. Copy that. Debug. And those filters here. Boom. This one is also like some filter. I didn't use it. Always have this kind of per class log tag, and I always use D. You see, there's a bunch of different methods. D. Well, error, of course, for errors. But I mean, IV. What the fuck is that? Well, yeah, I mean, I don't see any reason. You just have per class logs and that's it. Maybe if you have like some global login, maybe for that reason. It depends, you know. As many people, as many software techniques. Let's see if the search, first of all, if the input is correct, then there is if else, some stuff going on. Let's check also like to do like in if statement print as well. I mean, you could probably do the same thing, you know, with the breakpoints without logging and stuff. It could be easy, you know. I just prefer logcat. Okay. Well, yeah. It's the input is correct, and the filter goes to second. So if char sequence is 0, alright. So this is if for empty search query. This is if for not empty. Alright. We have our list table. Okay, we have our initial, a list, and temporary. Go for initial, right? Okay. And if the name of that movie contains chars, then add it to this temporary, right? Put then it clears the initial. This is a mistake, probably. And then oh no, maybe not. Yeah, you add this. Yeah, that's right, this is wrong. And then you add alright, so let's see what kind of stuff you're checking in. Why it doesn't add anything. Alright, now it checks. Yes, it's correct. So it checks for, is it JSON Derulo has J, and of course it doesn't, because we didn't convert it to lowercase. That sucks. Right. It filters and now it's gone. Alright, the bug is here. In the first if the filter input query is empty, then we clear the list and then we added empty list to empty list. This is weird. Okay, so this is list view array adapter. I haven't used those for a while. It has kind of less flexibility, I think. Alright, so we need a copy of the full list. Let's say and full list, add all broad. Alright, and now we iterate over full list here and add a full list. Alright, let's see if it works now. Oh no, looks weird. Let's see. Maybe the prod was empty here. Yes, the list was initially empty in here during adapter creation. So let's see it. Probably we add somewhere in this. Okay, yeah, there is the method re-add a new for iterate our list. Okay, let's add a method. Alright, and we see the initial list right away. If you remember, it wasn't after. Alright, I didn't call it. I think now it works fine. We had our full list set up. Gonna remove logs, and this code is kinda duplicated. Yeah, so that's how I debug apps with if the bug is not critical, it doesn't crash the app, right? Just the UI stuff, or even if the actual crash, still the principle is the same. So it's very easy, and with logs you get quite readable output. With the, let's see what it looks like with the breakpoints. it stops. Char text. This is stopped here. No, it's here. What? Where did it stop? Oh, it's in the first if. It checks. You shouldn't probably stop it in if statement, I don't know. Yeah, and you can go through all the variables. This is kind of, you know, it's more full, but it's more cluttered. Then what we need? Next. Go to the next step. Now it's here. Yeah, and stuff, you know, like that. It seems more like it has more output, but it's more complex. That's why I like logcats. Alright, and this was the debugging introduction for Android. I mean, if you've been doing this for a while, then you probably know all these tricks. If not, I hope it was helpful for you, and if you liked the video, subscribe, and thanks for watching.